Hey folks, we're live at 9:12 p.m. battling for Robert's carded Imperial Gunner. There he is. He's graded AFA 80. He's a nice one. I got 60 spots. Sorry for the wait, by the way. We got 60 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Paste in here, 1 through 60. Going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. As you know, we got a 9, which means we are good to go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Matt Johnson, round 1, and 2, and 3. Matt Sorrentino, 4. Singer, 5. Sorrentino, 6. Matt Johnson again on top for round 7. Chris in round 8, and our winner is Matthew Sorrentino in at number 5. Congratulations, Matthew. Here's our verification code and official results, PFFWZZ. Matthew Sorrentino in at number 5 is the victor, which means I'm done at 9:13 p.m. As you can see here. Again, here's the official results. Congratulations to the winner. See you next time, guys. Thanks.